beauties, welcome back to SSBeauty. Holi's around the corner, and today I'm showing you how to rock a waterproof makeup look that'll survive all the water fights and color explosions. Step 1. Setting spray. First up, a little hack to keep your makeup in place all day. Start with a setting spray. Yes, spray it before you even start your makeup. It adds an extra layer of protection and locks everything in place. Step 2. Primer. For Holi, you want a silicone-based primer to create a smooth base, control oil, and help keep your makeup lasting longer. Apply it to your T-zone or wherever you get oily. Step 3. Foundation. Now, go for something light and long-wearing. Use a matte foundation that gives great coverage but feels super lightweight. Remember, we don't need a thick layer that'll slide off when the water hits, so keep it light and natural. Step 4. Concealer. To hide any dark circles or blemishes, use a full coverage yet lightweight waterproof concealer, perfect for a long day of Holi fun. Step 5. Set everything. Now, we need to set everything in place. Use a translucent powder to lock everything down. Apply a light layer all over your face to keep your makeup matte, waterproof, and in place through all the color chaos. Step 6. Brows all right. On to brows. Fill in and define your brows with a long-lasting waterproof eyebrow pencil. Use light strokes for a natural, defined look that won't fade. Step 7. Eyes for Holi. Create bold, vibrant eyes that can handle the color and water. Start by applying a bright yellow eyeshadow all over your eyelids for a lively, fresh look. Then, use an orange eyeshadow on the inner side of your eyelid, blending it slightly onto the lid and along your lash line. This will create a beautiful, colorful contrast with the yellow, adding a fun, festive vibe. To brighten your eyes even more, apply a shimmer or highlight shade to the inner corners for an extra pop of glow. For definition, use waterproof eyeliner to keep everything in place. A bold winged liner or tight lining along your upper lash line will define your eyes without smudging. And of course, waterproof mascara is a must. It's smudge-proof and won't move, even if you're drenched in water. A couple of coats, and you're good to go. Step 8. Add color to cheeks. Let's add a little color to those cheeks. A fresh flush of color that won't fade no matter how much you're dancing in the sun. Step 9. Waterproof lips. Last but not least, lips. For Holi, you need a lipstick that won't come off with the first splash of color. Use waterproof liquid lipstick. It's transfer-proof, smudge-proof, and will stay on through all the celebrations. Step 10. Final lock-in. One final step to keep everything in place. Another spritz of setting spray. This will lock all your makeup down, and you'll be ready to take on Holi without worrying about touch-ups. And that's it, beauties. A waterproof Holi makeup look that'll stay perfect through all the fun and colors. If you loved this tutorial, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends so they can slay their Holi look too. Have an unforgettable Holi, stay safe, stay beautiful, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!